Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Viction token. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Viction VIC is a human-centric layer 1 blockchain originally launched as Tomo Chain in 2017, designed to make Web3 accessible through zero gas transactions and a focus on real-world tokenized ownership. Evolved Foundation, a rebrand from the established Tomo Chain project, maintaining an 8-year mainnet with ongoing upgrades like the Alta's hard fork. User-first technology features EVM compatibility, a proof of stake voting (POSV) consensus with 150 master nodes, and its VRC25 standard for gas fee transfers. Ownership economy ecosystem grows through decentralized application dApps in DeFi, NFTs, and digital identity, with strong community-led growth in emerging markets. Viction token total supply is 210 million and circulating supplies around 127.54 million VIC token. VIC token is listed on Binance, Bybit, BitGet, MEXC, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.